Hello Nishan, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
ওকে, আমি চিন্তা করতেছি যে আমার কম্পিউটারটা অনেক স্লো কাজ করছে। তা তুমি কি একটু দেখাতে পারবে যে কম্পিউটারটা কিভাবে ফাস্ট করতে হয়?
Yes.
আচ্ছা চলো দেখি তাহলে।
Go to run and then refresh. Delete everything you want, permanently delete. That will delete easily. And then go to temporary file. Just some normal ones. And then parser which is the local. Delete them all. Do this for alternatives continue. Do me a favor, it takes too much time to delete, I guess. Let me go to 3 then. After that, head to recent. Well, there are the shortcuts. I will delete them all. Okay, permanently deleted, or automatically as you call it. Team manager, okay, see. It's calculating how much space you will be able to free. So here it is. Temporary internet files windows, error reports and PPDialogics, directs, shader cache, delivery authorizations of files, and temporary files. Let's delete them all, since I want to make my computer so fast. So these are the basics, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, thanks Nishan.
You're welcome.